In JavaScript, the string paddEnd method pads the end of the string to reach a certain size. First, we need a string, so let stir equals high. To start, we will just give paddEnd one argument, so stir equals stir dot paddEnd of 5. After that, we will console.log stir. If we run the code, you won't see because of the nature of the command line, but I can tell you that high now has some spaces at the end of it. It turns out the single argument is what length the string should be after the padding is done. Also, if you give no second argument, the default padding character is space. Next, let's give a second argument. Say we wanted high to be padded with pluses at the end, so we will change this call to be 5, comma, string plus. If we run this code, you'll see 3 pluses to the right of high. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.